In this video, we show you how you can determine the belt line of a Gates carbon drive on the rear wheel using the UT rear belt liner. To do this, you need the UT rear belt liner and a standard caliper gauge. The measurement basically works on any rear wheel. It is especially important for hub types where you can position the sprocket differently on the freewheel body using spacers. Firstly, the installation width of the hub must be determined. Frequent installation dimensions are 130, 135, 142, or 148 millimeters. To do this, use the manufacturer's specifications or determine the installation width of the hub on the removed rear wheel with a caliper. In our example, 135 millimeters. Now, we must determine the distance between center track and rear belt liner. To do this, place the rear belt liner on the hub and fix it with the quick release or the through axle. Turn the rear belt liner to a suitable position to enable an accurate measurement. Measure from the outer edge of the center track to the inner edge of the rear belt liner. In our example, 9.14 millimeters. With these two values, the belt line can be easily calculated. The installation width of the hub is halved. From the halved installation width, we subtract the distance of the rear belt liner to the center track. In addition, we subtract 0.5 millimeters to compensate for the width of the center track. In our example, this results in a belt line of 57.86 millimeters. For more technical videos about the Gates carbon drive system, subscribe to our channel. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. Your team from Universal Transmissions.